New homes for sure from DR Horton. This section up in Westport, notice how they've put the garages back a little bit to give you a bigger driveway for the kids to play in. This is good stuff. And yeah, they're gonna have a pool and pickleball courts and a playground. But besides the 2 stories, they've got a bunch of ranch homes like this new plan called the BIRCH. Let's take a tour of this. Don't just ignore him. I've often told you to ignore the listing agent because they have the best interest of the seller. No, that's our friend Chris. He'll take good care of you, but make sure you tell him that you're working with my team, and that would either be Rodney Jones, Denise O'Farrell, Joe Top, Donnie Morrison. So this will come with a 2-car garage here, and notice they've even got a little transom window. Now, I know you're thinking, what's the price? Well, you could buy the BIRCH right now in the mid-4s. I mean, probably well under $475. Got a gorgeous bedroom up in front. Now, of course, it doesn't come as the model, doesn't come with all that trim, but guess what? You can add that easily, and you've got a template for that by being right here. They've got this one displaying as an office. That could be a bedroom as well. And guys, how lovely is this BIRCH from DR Horton? Now, they've got a number of plans that are priced in the mid-4s to low 5s. Now, the 2 stories across the street, that section, you're going to be in the mid-5s to low 6s. Ooh, yeah, you could bump 650 probably if you max one out. This is luscious and luxurious. I'll tell you what, DR Horton knows how to build a ranch, and the fact that they're building out that neighborhood section of Westport with ranch homes, I mean, there'll probably be 50 or so in that first phase, and you're going to be around some people with a little gray on their head as well. But you know, even millennials are digging ranch homes. No doubt about it. Now, one cool thing about these ranches, everyone's gonna have a covered back patio. And this one is cool because you could be out there in your pajamas having your coffee in the morning. And in fact, just looking out at the trees, they have specs for sale right now where literally you're backed up to woods. And they're starting to sell already, guys. I mean, it's on. Today's a realtor day and week, grand opening week, and there are going to be a lot of agents snapping up for their clients, and my team is poised and ready to do that for you as well. Look how wide that is. That's a big bed, and you've got wide tables on each side. This is a fantastic home. And one thing I love about how they do the models is that I can literally come in and take all the ideas out of the model. Because you know, your home doesn't look like this just coming out of the shelf, coming off the shelf. What happens is you go in and take pictures and you do it yourself on making it with the elements like the model that you like. And then you've got a big closet in here as well. Good size. And again, you max out the closet with shelving and so on. But I love the undermount sinks and all that's going on there. So guys, what you want to do is give me a call, reference Westport from DR Horton. My team is poised and ready to help you. They're willing to pay our buyer agency fee. No harm, no foul. So, but you have to call us first with any builder. Oh, look how pretty that is out there. Ooh, this is going to be a big neighborhood, guys. There are going to be a bunch of ranch homes and a lot of 2 stories, some 4 and 5 bedrooms. It's really affordable, and with all the modern amenities, playground, pickleball, and pool. Are you kidding me? And South Carolina taxes. Plus Clover Schools. It's a York address. You're paying York County taxes, but it's Clover Schools. So call me. Let's make this happen for you. 704-345-3400 on location at Westport from DR Horton. And oh yeah, I'm wearing my DR Horton shirt today, wearing it proudly. See you later.